Kadri. The program today will be looking at how you can access healthcare services, at almost stress-free, without you passing through hustle, without you going to join queue, without you, taking the pain to book an appointment. And to do that, I have two medical doctors in the studio that will be telling us how that can be done at the comfort of your home, how you can, get an appointment with a doctor, and how you can, have consultation with a doctor, and of course you have what you want done at ease. I have with me from my far right Dr. Deborah Ojako. She's the medical director of Ezzycare. And close to me, you need to start with the ladies first. Close to me is Dr. Tunge Malu. He's the CEO of Ezzycare. Ezzycare is an app that enables you to get an appointment with a doctor. It enables you, find out what is bothering you and where you can get it very, very close to you without you traveling, so many kilometers. All right, that is the bit I know. It will be coming from the horse's mouth now. A very good morning to you, doctor. Good morning to you
for coming
on the show.
Good morning, the entire audience of ITV.
Yeah,
I'm happy to be here this morning.
You're welcome. I just said the bit that I know.
Yeah.
All right. So tell us about Ezzycare.
Again, you said ladies first. So
yes. No, let's start with ladies.
All right. Thank you once again for having us here. So, Ezzycare is a medical app. It's a healthcare app that connects you to nearby doctors, right? So you get to choose how you want to see these doctors, be it via video consultation, clinic consultation, or even if you want them to come to your homes, right? We're basically a hospital in your hands. The doctors you rush to see in the hospitals, the doctors you queue for a long time to see, Ezzycare provides you easy and quick access to those doctors.
Yeah, so give us details about those doctors. You know them, how many of them? Are they endless? And just tell us.
As you said, Ezzycare, from the word easy, it's meant to make healthcare easy for everyone. And this healthcare should be easy for everyone, everywhere. So it's the whole concept of Ezzycare is how to make Ezzycare and healthcare generally appear so easy. I mean, I've worked in the government hospitals and I know the difficulty of accessing healthcare. And I've also been around Nigeria and I see the difficulty of accessing healthcare anywhere in Nigeria. Now, with the brain drain that we have, mostly centered on healthcare providers, doctors, nurses, lab scientists, pharmacists, they are all leaving the country. We now have a limited number of healthcare professionals in Nigeria, not just Nigeria, even other parts of Africa. Now, Ezzycare has profiled a solution that the available healthcare providers that we have, let us manage them. Because even the healthcare providers we have, we are not utilizing them well. Because people don't know where to get them, people don't know how to access them or how much they'll be charged and all that. Even the healthcare providers, some of the healthcare providers don't even know themselves that they are there. So Ezzycare has every specialty you can talk about in medicine. Ezzycare has general physicians, medical officers, we have family physicians, we have general surgeons, we have plastic surgeons. I'm a plastic surgeon, I'm on Ezzycare. We have gynecologists, that's women and health. We have pediatricians, we have pulmonologists, we have even aviation medicine. We have it on Ezzycare. Specialties that you can not even think exist in the country. We have such doctors subscribed to Ezzycare. Right now, we have over 1,000 doctors that have subscribed on the Ezzycare app. And we have all the specialties covered in Ezzycare. So any doctor you are looking for, you can access Ezzycare. But Ezzycare is so beautiful that it is not just doctors we have. We have lab scientists, we have pharmacists, we have nurses, we have physiotherapists. So it's, as you said, Ezzycare is a hospital in your hand. And whatever you need in healthcare, you can actually get on Ezzycare.
So how do you get that on Ezzycare?
So on EasyCare, all you have to do is sign up. You just, download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and signing up is free right now for everyone. Whether you're a healthcare provider or you're, a care seeker, someone looking for these doctors, all you have to do is just sign up on the app and, select the specialty you're looking for, and the doctor accepts just like that, right? And the good thing about EasyCare is you get to see a wide variety of doctors, unlike in the hospitals where you're restricted to seeing whoever is on duty. So if, you're looking under a particular specialty and, the price of the particular doctor you're seeing seems like it's too much for you, there's always doctor B, C, exactly. So if price A doesn't work for you, price B, C, D, E will, right? On EasyCare, we make sure that there's something for everyone. Everyone and anyone can make use of EasyCare, especially those that, don't live close to their loved ones. Whether you're in the country or outside the country, you're concerned for your family members, or, whether you're in the same state with them, you have parents that live in the village, and you're wondering as to the kind of care that they're able to access. So you're able to book for them, right? EasyCare has options that says book for someone else, right? And then the doctor just knows, all right, Adamu is booking, but it's for his mother Aisha, right? And they come prepared to your consultation because they know who you're seeing, right? So the doctors are always on hand to see you and to, speak to you. And, we at EasyCare on the back end, we're always ready to support you. Sometimes you have people that, come on the platform and they say, this is the issue that is wrong with me, but I don't know the specialist to seek. Right, so on EasyCare's part, we're always on hand to tell you, okay, yes, you don't need a general practitioner for this, you need a cardiologist, or you need a urologist, right? And the doctors are always receptive when they receive an appointment. The same way the clients are looking for the doctors are always also looking for the clients, because doctors are people, because they're in the healthcare system, they know how hard it is. They know the difficulty that their clients have in accessing them, right? So where they see something like EasyCare is, they come to the hospital, and because it's a clinic consultation, you have so many people you need to see. And for most people, you stay in line for 3 hours and you only speak to the doctor for 10 minutes. That's almost like a waste of oil, a waste of energy. This is something that if you just had access to that doctor, you could have said, hello doctor, I have a headache, what should I take? And they say, take Panadol, bye. That is it. But you've waited almost 3 hours, you've missed school, work, your child has missed school, just to have a 5-minute conversation.
It affects 1 hour.
Exactly. And in this age of the full subsidy where we're in, who wants to do that? Save your time, save your energy, save your resources. EasyCare, as the name implies, it's very easy, right? At EasyCare, we're very keen about giving everyone access to quality healthcare, right? Those doctors you're going and searching miles and miles for, they're just a click away on EasyCare. So we are urging everyone to, utilize EasyCare.
Yeah, all you need to do is to download the app. Even as we are talking, you can go through Google Play Store,
the Apple
or
App Store.
Apple Apps.
Yes.
Just download it and begin to, why not? You can just begin to surf through what you have on the EasyCare. So now let's ask the CEO, how do you deal with patients' confidentiality?
That's a very important question if asked. Because some people are not used to the internet, so they think that anything across the internet, there's some scam there. Now, first of all, EasyCare is a registered, a trademarked organization. It has international repute. It's not just a local organization. We have a trademark of EasyCare. We're registered in Nigeria, and you know the process of registration. So it's not just any thing that you are doing, by the side. It is known as a public liability, it's a limited liability company. Now, another thing is that the process of approving healthcare providers on EasyCare is very, very tough. As I said, we have over 1,000 doctors that are subscribed to EasyCare. Many of these doctors waited for weeks, some for months, to get approval. Because once you apply to join EasyCare, we have to verify that you are truly a doctor. We have to, where did you study? The screening process is very, very thorough. And the last is that you must have the current practicing license. So even if you're a doctor,
so you must be up to date.
You must be up to date with current things. So that is a very, very thorough process, so that everybody you see on EasyCare actually has been screened. There are a lot of people waiting to be screened, and so those you see, they've been approved and they are up to date on their services. Not just that, the app is built in a way that there's an end-to-end encryption, which means that when you contact a doctor, it is only you and the doctor that know what is going on. The app does not record anything that is going on. It's just between you and doctor. We are just a platform. It's just like it's even better than making a call, because somebody can be listening on your call. But when it's end-to-end encrypted, nobody can even hack into your conversation. It's between you and the doctor. So for people that have issues that they want to keep just between them and their doctor, Ezzycare is the best platform to use. We've had people that have mental health issues and to talk to the doctor. They don't even want, even the family members know that they're going through such emotional trauma. We have a lot of women, we have a lot of young people, we have a lot of even men going through a lot of psychological trauma, but they don't know where to express themselves. Ezzycare provides that platform that you can just go on the platform, click on the mental health physician, and you see all kinds of mental health physicians on the platform. And you look for the one you like the face, or you look the one you like the price, and you book. And you can talk to the mental health physician for as long as you want. You can book for 30 minutes, 1 hour, for as long as you want. So that confidentiality between the doctor and the patient is maintained even better than you have in a regular hospital. The other thing is that by medical ethics, you are supposed to have a third party when there's an interaction between a healthcare provider and his patient to avoid all the litigation. So we're also protecting the doctor as much as we are protecting the patient. So we always insist, the app prompts you that before you are talking to a doctor, you should ensure that it's a third party that you trust. You have a trusted person with you, or the doctor has somebody you can trust. So that if you're in a clinic with a doctor, you know very well that it's not just you and the doctor. So the doctor is also comfortable, you are also comfortable. Ezzycare has so many other ways. You want to say something about that?
No, I disagree. Everything
yeah,
you
so
say.
it's watertight as far as security.
So how do you deal with anyone that you rate, like in the app, say rate your provider. So when you have a rating that is not satisfactory, how do you tackle it? How do you tackle it?
Okay, so now this is why Ezzycare is so wonderful, if I must say so, because your doctors know you're going to rate them. Whatever rate, if you were to book me and I offered you a bad service and you gave me a bad review, every other client that came on the platform is going to see that. Right? And so we also on the back end of the platform, we're taking note of your reviews. Your reviews reach a certain number, and then we're saying, okay, this doctor, you actually have to go back on that review. You have to review what you're doing, you have to review your professionalism, and then you on the part of the client, you have the choice to not just rate them, you have the option to leave comments, right? The good thing on the platform so far is we've actually not had any issues of anything like that, because the doctors are very professional. The same way they would treat you when you go to the hospital is the same way they treat you when you're on the app, right? So we never have issues of professionalism with our doctors, and that is good news. But if that has ever happened, we are prepared, right? The clients have what I would like to say, majority of the power, because your reviews carry power. Right? If I was to say, oh, this hospital that we say, everybody that goes there, they get, horrible care, or this is what happens, nobody's going to go there. So for doctors are people that value their reputation, right? And so they are very careful when they are offering you care. They are very careful in how they address you. So, carrying this is what we also consider, in getting people on our platform. Yes.
Yeah, you are still watching Health is Wealth, and we're looking at Ezzycare. It's an app that makes health services very, very accessible to you. You don't have to travel, miles to get the services of an expert or a general practitioner, as the case may be. Even the two experts here, they practice. I'm sure they do.
Doctors.
Yeah, practicing doctors, like Dr. Malu here. Hilda Bassi, so much has been said about her, and Doctor, if possible, can say something about her.
Comment.
Okay, no comment on that.
Hilda Bassi is somebody that we should celebrate.
Yes.
And this is the time for her celebration. She has done Nigeria so proud, and we every day, every time, all we can say is that we are proud of her achievement. That she's getting popular. Nigeria gets popular for wrong reasons. So when you have one person that is popular for something good, you should celebrate her. Now, about her surgery, why I can say that is because she was very open about it. If you go to her page, she talked about when she did her surgery. She didn't hide it. She even shared it on our plastic surgery platform, her whole story before the surgery, after the surgery, so everybody talks about it.
Yeah, and you are the one in charge. Okay, but as we attempt to wrap up this discussion segment, let's quickly do some summary which has to do with the fact that if you are going on that app, if you are going to access care on that app, the price largely depends between you and the service provider. The Ezzycare has no business in that. Let's get to it.
Ezzycare doesn't have any control over the pricing. The doctors set their price. What we try to let you do is to provide options for you. So you have so many options. If you think that your pocket can afford a particular doctor, you go to the doctor. Yes. And the doctors are not, I would say their prices are not unreasonable. It's based on their experience and it's based on their specialization. So someone who is 2 years experience may charge less than someone who is 20 years experience.
Of course, I know the same.
Even my father, who is a professor of medicine, a retired professor of medicine, is on Ezzycare.
Really?
Yes, and he has practiced for 40 years. So his charges will definitely be different from somebody who has practiced for 5 years or 10 years because he has seen it all. But there's something I wanted to say about Ezzycare, particularly for the government and for people living in rural areas, that it is the best platform to reach people in the rural areas and remote areas. We have the military in remote areas. We have people who are serving, NYC members serving in remote areas. Ezzycare is something that they can usually use to access doctors that are not available in that community. Ezzycare brings every doctor to you, wherever you are. And you can collaborate with Ezzycare, whether as an individual, if you want to provide healthcare for your community. Ezzycare is so transparent. You can just load your wallet for your community. Ezzycare has a platform called the ECI. That's the Ezzycare Community Initiative. In that, you can decide to fund a wallet for your community and then choose somebody in that community that can operate a phone. And that person accesses doctors of all kinds for your community people.
And the doctor comes and
the doctor comes to your community and attends to people. Yeah, once you have a clinic there that they can come and see patients, they do that. It can happen anywhere. So as an individual, you care about it. I'm doing it for my community.
So it means that there's no end to the services Ezzycare can provide.
There is no end. Ezzycare is essentially, as we say, a hospital in your hand. It's making healthcare easier, faster, and better. Because the doctors that you can never see in your life, you see them on Ezzycare. Doctors that if you book, for example, when I was working in the government setting, people booked for 3 to 6 months to see me. On Ezzycare, you can book me in the next 2 hours. That's how it is. So it is for other specialties too. Once you book a doctor on Ezzycare, the time is tied down for yourself. And the doctor, once he accepts, he has to attend to you. So as Dr. The medical director once said, he said, why not take the easy way out? You understand, instead of going to queue.
I also like to just say, because one of the common questions we get is, where are these doctors from? Who are these doctors? People think, Ezzycare is, generating doctors from scratch. And no, it's the same doctors that you see in the hospitals, the same flesh and blood doctors you see. We don't have a particular set of doctors that are Ezzycare doctors. Your doctors that you see in your private hospitals or your government hospitals, they're the same people that are on Ezzycare. They just made themselves there they just put themselves there on the app so that, they become more accessible to you. Exactly. So every doctor you're looking for, please take advantage of it.
Before we go again, how do you get the Ezzy app? I'd like you to talk about the downloading and all of that. All
right. So all you have to do is go on your Play Store or your Apple App Store and type in Ezzycare, EZZYCARE, Ezzycare.
Thank you, Dr. Deborah Ojako, the Medical Director of Ezzycare, and of course the CEO, Dr. Tongi Malu. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you so much for having us.
Ezzycare is the future of healthcare in the world, and everybody does good to get on the platform.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All right, this is where we wrap up the discussion for today. I'm sure you enjoyed every bit of it. Next week, same time, same station, I'll be here with another discussion. Until then, enjoy your day.
Need a doctor, lab test, or medicine? Use Ezzycare. Ezzycare helps you find healthcare providers near you. Top up your wallet. Book an appointment. Enjoy your care. Rate your provider. Ezzycare. Healthcare